Welcome to India, a land of diversity, culture and technical prowess. Over the past decade, India has emerged as a global hub for digital services, including offshore SEO services. Now, who doesn't know about SEO? Here is a quick overview of SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine result pages, driving more organic traffic to your website. SEO involves a variety of strategies, including keyword search, content optimization, link building, and technical SEO. Now, the question here is, why choose offshore SEO services in India? One of the primary reasons businesses opt for offshore SEO services in India is cost effectiveness. The competitive pricing in India allows businesses to get high quality SEO services at fraction of a cost compared to Western countries. India also boasts a skilled and educated workforce with thousands of professionals trained in digital marketing and SEO. The country produces a large number of IT and marketing graduates each year, ensuring a steady supply of SEO experts. Next would be the time zone advantage. Another advantage is the time zone difference. India SEO companies can work on projects during the client's off hours, ensuring continuous progress and quicker turnaround time. Then there's a factor of language proficiency. English is widely spoken and used in India, making communication seamless. Indian SEO professionals are proficient in English, ensuring clear and effective communication with clients globally. Now let's talk about the services offered by Indian SEO companies. First is keyword research. Indian SEO companies offer comprehensive keyword research services, identifying the most relevant and high traffic keywords for your business. Then on-page optimization. On-page optimization is crucial for SEO success. Indian SEO experts optimize various on-page SEO elements such as meta tags, headers and content to improve search engine rankings. Then comes the part of content creation and optimization. You must have heard that content is the king in SEO. Indian SEO companies provide high quality content creation and optimization services, ensuring your content is engaging as well as SEO friendly. The next service is link building. Link building is a vital part of SEO. Indian SEO services include strategic link building to improve your website's authority as well as rankings. Next process is technical SEO. Technical SEO ensures your website is easily crawlable and indexable by search engines. Indian SEO experts conduct thorough technical audits and implement necessary changes. Now let's talk about Softrix Tech Solutions Private Limited, your partner in offshore SEO services. Softrix Tech Solutions Private Limited is a leading provider of offshore services in India, known for its expertise, innovation and commitment to client success. Don't take our word for it. Check what our clients say about us.
A very big thank you to Softrix and Sunil for helping me with the SEO of my company. I managed to get my website to rank on Google.
India's offshore SEO services combine affordability, expertise and efficiency. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, partnering with an Indian SEO company can drive your business towards success. Explore the potential of offshore SEO services in India and take your digital presence to new heights. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please do visit our website. Thanks once again.